Hi again, kids. This time we're going to learn some words that will help us with our dance. First thing is choreography. Choreography means dance that is planned. So we're going to plan our dance. And that's the word for you. Locomotive and non-locomotive, we talked about that before. So locomotive is something that takes us around the space, like the engine of a train. And non-locomotive is something that leaves us right on the spot. So we're going to also learn the word kaleidoscope because our dances are seen from above in Peru particularly. And so we like to create shapes on the floor, and kaleidoscope means that there's shaped shifting. Okay, so we're going to design things on the ground. Folklore means that is the knowledge of the people. Our folklore for this classroom is going to be the knowledge that you have and what you're going to represent your class in movement as. And then for that we're going to need a seed movement. Like my name was Luciana, that was my seed movement. So if I take my seed movement and repeat it, and then put something else in between, like the brushing my teeth, I've created a sequence, right? And I can create a sequence on the spot, non-locomotive or locomotive, where I take my seed movement, my other seed movement, and take them somewhere, okay? So it's up to you what you're going to do. Then that way we have created a sequence and we have created a pattern. Now, my seed movement was just turning a light bulb, but I have stylized that. To stylize means that I am working on it with grace. So instead of just turning the light bulb, I am going to give it a little flair, okay? So you're going to stylize your movements to make them more dancey. And then beat versus rhythm, we're going to talk about that in a different video, but those are important words too. When you work together, you're going to be working in unison. So unison means that we move at the same time exactly. Like for example, my finger is going to move in this hand and then this finger will move. That's not in unison. Only when I do them at the same time, that's unison. Now they're in unison. They're in sync with each other. They're not in sync. Okay, so you're going to learn how to move in unison in being solo dancers all over the place or being in a group as a duo. There's different kinds of groups, duos, trios, quartets, quintets, etc. You can ask your teacher.